Now we will discuss about proprietary software. Proprietary software has a cost. Nowadays, usually it's a license cost. Now, while we are purchasing software, we will get an example, Microsoft Word. Right? We will get an example, Microsoft Word. It has a cost. You pay for a license. License means that set of alphanumeric or alphabetical or numeric values, isn't it? It's just a string like this set of numbers and letters. That's it. That is the license, and for that string we have to pay because it enables the software functionalities to work accordingly. Now, proprietary software has a cost. Usually, nearly all the softwares, nearly 99.99% proprietary softwares provide a free trial, at least for 7 days. There's a free trial, right? Because before we pay for the license, we can trial it, we can check it. What are the functionalities? Is this fit for our job? Because we are paying some amount. Okay? Is that paid value is worth for us? So that kind of things we can understand by using a free trial. So my advice is always use the free trial before using the license cost, before purchasing a license. Because you get a free trial, you can experiment it, you can check whether that the requirement is fit for you, the software is fit for you. Is this software provide sufficient functionalities for you before purchasing it? Now, usually the end of the trial period, you should buy. In some cases, you can extend your trial period with limited functionalities, or your software would not work after specific time period. Right? You can keep it in your machine, your computer, or your mobile phone, whatever. Or it might be a web application. You can go through a different way, but for the trial period means your trial time period is finished. Now, especially I want to emphasize in here, if you are purchasing a proprietary software, you should have sufficient time for the free trial. That means sufficient time means they have allocated 7 days. So you should clear your that 7 days before installing the trial software. If you are installing a trial software for 7 days, and if you perfectly know this entire 7 days is full, your time slots are full, you may not do anything with this 7 days. Please do not install this free trial for your computer, because you have not used your computer, your new software efficiently. What I'm advising is, if you are trial a software, please make sure sufficient time. You have to allocate your time for this proprietary software, because you might pay a lot. You might pay a lot. Right? Different packages are there. Right? Different packages are there to the requirements. I'll give another example in the same way. We will get Microsoft Office package. You might have different packages, home, home pro, I can't remember the names, extract names, premium, office, different packages are there. I can't remember the extract names, but you can search it in Microsoft Office. There are different packages. If you are a single user, you might do not need to communicate with the team. So you do not want to pay for that. Since you are buying a proprietary software, you are paying some amount. You have to get the most fit for you, most suitable software for you. Okay. Now, at that case, you have to think about, since I'm working Alongly with this Microsoft Word, Office, or Word, or Excel, or whatever, I should not buy the largest one. I should not install the largest software that I just want, because the rest of the functionalities are for enterprise versions. It might be concurrent typing, it might be concurrent communication, it might be for a teamwork. If you are working alone, there's no point to install such additional functionalities, because your computer might get lost, get slower, because it requires additional memory. So think wisely and install the most best fit software for you, instead of installing the largest software that it's in the software collection. This is common. Like I'll discuss about the suits at that time. I'll discuss about that also. So whatever the way, whatever the package that is most fit for you, and some sort of popular proprietary softwares are Microsoft and Adobe. You know, they are providing whole bunch of softwares. Not only this, these are like some sort of leading software companies. Instead of, there are a lot of proprietary software available in current market.